There is huge importance to the content you display on the top of your CV. It's referred to as the top fold. If you were to print the page and fold it, this is what you would see. Optimize it to ensure that you grab your reviewers' attention and that they view you as a credible candidate. When a recruiter reviews your CV, the initial scan is generally done in roughly 6 to 7 seconds. Ensure that you are presenting the most relevant and applicable information that relates to the requirements of the role you are applying for in this section. Let's break this down. From the example template shown, there is an immediate mention of the junior and developer keywords in the title. There is a link to your personal GitHub and LinkedIn profiles and an online portfolio if applicable. Your general location, nearest city or town is fine, and contact details including email address and phone number. The executive summary sets the tone for the rest of your document and clearly outlines how you are positioning yourself as a candidate. It should be short and snappy with factual statements that outline you as a professional. Use technical terminology and tech-relevant keywords and clearly define your transferable skills. Here are 2 examples. Feel free to pause the video now to read them and note the differences in tone of each. In a matter of seconds, the example categorizes the previous experience, skills, education, and goals. Focus on addressing the requirements of the role you're applying for. Add an achievement that indicates the value you bring as an employee. This gives an employer an indication of your working style and sets you apart from others. Note the style of language methods. You can use more clinical language as shown in the first example or in the first person shown in the second example. Never refer to yourself in the third person. Both examples have a clear illustration of technical skills and terminology, as well as demonstrating the transferable skills gained from previous experiences. To conclude the top fold, list any formal technical education attained. Incorporate your Code Institute learning experience. You have gained applicable and transferable skills by operating in a remote, SaaS-based environment. This is valuable to employers and shows your exposure to an environment similar to the one that their team sits in. Clearly show your technical skill set. An example is shown in a table format. At the bottom, you can see how we lead into the project section with the title still visible on the top fold. The top fold showcases that this candidate is seeking a junior developer position. As you progress through the course, you'll build projects that you can use in your portfolio. List your most recent project first and work your way backward in reverse chronological order. Remember this as you update your CV on an ongoing basis and add your most recent project on top. Outline the project title, a brief description, and the languages and tools used. Ensure you add the individual GitHub link for each project.